Hey guys, this is Buzz. I'm gonna bring to you today the best Turkish coffee in Antalya. Been here 5 years and I've searched wide and many different places for the best Turkish coffee, and by far this is the place. I'm in central Antalya. It's a place called Kahve Dünyasi. It's a franchise. Yeah, I think you can't beat it. And as a foreigner, I know many people come from different parts of the world, and they come and they try to look for some nice coffee. Turkish coffee is very traditional, very unique. So if you do come down this way, please visit Kahve Dünyasi and you will not be disappointed. This is Buzz signing out, and hope you enjoy. Hey guys, it's Buzz again, and I know coming from overseas, a lot of people love their coffee. I'm no different. Came from Australia, rich coffee culture. In Turkey as well, there's a big coffee culture as well. You just need to find the right places. In Antalya, there's a few good spots, but Turkish coffee, just Turkish coffee. This place makes by far the best Turkish coffee. It's a franchise, Kahve Dünyasi, Coffee World, and really in the past 5 years or so, haven't had better Turkish coffee. It's smooth, but just an awesome taste, texture, everything. You can't go wrong. So if you're in town and you want a good Turkish coffee, give it a go, I say. This particular franchise that I'm in is right in the heart of Antalya, just outside a shopping mall, Mark Antalya. If you say Mark Antalya, everyone can guide you there. It's dead bang in the middle. Hopefully, you can come out here and enjoy a coffee. Thank you. And here it is. Here's the coffee. Just as I was talking about it, comes with a little chocolate, their own chocolate, and it's absolutely delicious. And if you have a look at it, looks very simple, but it is bang on delicious, I guarantee you. And if you like your coffee like me, I dare say you are going to absolutely love this Turkish coffee. I have it with no sugar. You can ask for it with sugar as they're making it. Yeah, so I just wanted to bring you this. Stay tuned, please subscribe. I'll be doing another video of the best coffee place, venue wise. This is just Turkish coffee, but next time I'll take you to a really good place that's on the beach, and venue wise, ambience, scenery is bang on. So enjoy. can't go wrong. Buzz signing out. Adios.